Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the Corsair K63. This is one of my favourite gaming keyboards out there, so I decided to make a video about it. If you want to see the most up-to-date price and find out more information about it, you can check out the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest technology news. Okay, let's get started with the video. PC gamers have always been very nitpicky about their peripherals, as they've always sought the products that deliver the highest performance, look good with their setup, and offer amazing value. For a long time, they've refused the transition to wireless peripherals, as most of them suffered from some issues that hindered their performance, such as input lag, unstable connection, and sky-high prices. For a long time, they've refused to join the rally. However, with recently released products that offer exceptional performance, seamless connection, and generally affordable prices, the trend has started to change, as more and more PC gamers are now opting for wireless peripherals. In the wireless gaming keyboard segment, for the moment, there are only two brands that have put respectable products out there: Logitech and Corsair. Corsair has designed an amazing wireless keyboard that's very compact, has a seamless connection, low input lag, lightning effects, respectable battery life, and a complementary software that is best in the business with the K63 Wireless. The Corsair K63 is a 10-key wireless layout, meaning that it comes in a compact size without the numpad, but delivers an amazing experience with its mechanical key switches and 100% anti-ghosting. Moreover, it's a perfect tool to add some visual touches to your gaming desk, plus the added desk space coming from its size. It comes at an affordable price, which is in the range for most gamers, and it's just very convenient and pleasing to use. Now, without further ado, let's take a closer look. In the design and aesthetics department, the Corsair K63 resembles the other 10-keyless keyboard in Corsair's lineup, the K65 RGB, which was one of the better designed 10-keyless keyboards on the market, and I don't have any complaints, as it delivers excellent functionality and premium high-end feel. The device itself measures about 14.5 by 7 inches and has a thickness of about 1 inch, and it is a little hefty in the weight department, as it comes in at 3.5 pounds. Both the weight and size are without its detachable wrist rest. The weight may seem like a lot, but this keyboard has a lot of built-in features and mechanical keys adding to the cause, and it's still one of the most portable keyboards that I've seen. If you choose to use this keyboard on a desk, you also have the rubber wrist rest, which is very comfortable and is amazingly ergonomic, and coupled with its dual feet on the rear part, you get an amazing desk experience. But then again, this keyboard is tailored for couch gaming. Furthermore, the Corsair K63 is fitted with dedicated media controls on the top left-hand side for playback control, volume control buttons on the top right-hand side, Windows button lock mode, which is very helpful when you're gaming and prevents accidental presses that may ruin your experience. You also get a dedicated light button to change the lighting under the keycaps on the go. The keycaps appear to be flying on top of the keyboard deck, and the cool blue lighting under them looks like propellers, giving you a pleasing effect. The lights add a very pleasing visual effect to the keyboard and can be changed to different patterns from the Corsair utility software, but more on that later. Corsair has utilised Cherry MX Red key switches on this keyboard, which are top of the class and are the first choice for gamers. These are linear style switches, and the travel path of these switches doesn't have any speed bump to provide tactile feedback. While it may not be the most satisfying to type on, these switches allow for quick tapping and they're perfect for gaming. It has a total travel distance of 4mm and an actuation distance of 2mm, which translates into multiple repetitive presses happening very smoothly in the quickest possible manner. These switches are also very quiet thanks to the no tactile feedback bump, need a force of 45 grams to operate, and are extremely durable, rated at up to 50 million key presses, which translates into roughly 8 years of key pressing. For maximum comfort, I would suggest you buy the optional K63 lapboard, which you can get in a bundle from Amazon. The lapboard provides maximum comfort, and you also get to use your wireless mouse on it. It secures your K53 keyboard in place and is amazingly convenient to use. For couch gaming, nothing can surpass the experience that the lapboard provides. However, even without the extra lapboard, the Corsair K63 delivers a perfect gaming experience from the comfort of your couch. But if you want a more frantic and fast performance from the couch, you wouldn't achieve the best result from any setup. The keyboard connects to your PC via a USB dongle and has a battery life of about 15 hours with the lights turned to full, but you can extend the battery life up to 75 hours if you choose to turn off the lighting, but I wouldn't do it because the lighting looks awesome on this device. The Corsair K63 delivers a very strong connection with your PC at 2.4 GHz, which is extremely strong and will deliver the same performance even if you're at a wireless signal crowded ambient like a cafe or an office. However, you also get the Bluetooth option for the convenience, but the connection is not on the levels of the wireless dongle. It should get the job done though if you're in a rush. One of my favourite features of the Corsair K63, in fact for all Corsair peripherals, is the Corsair Utility software. It's very easy to install, set up and connect your device with it. Then you can start selecting and setting your macros and settings for each game or app, and even set your profiles for each game. From the software you can also change the light effects of the keyboard. It's a shame that it's not RGB, but even so, there are a lot of things to play with. When it comes to performance, the Corsair K63 delivers on its promise and more. The gaming performance is excellent and it allows for fast-paced gaming, but even in adventure games it was pretty good. And I'm a fan of its silence, as I can game late into the night without waking up the whole neighbourhood. The typing experience is decent, not to my liking as it lacks tactile feedback, but not a deal breaker. All things considered, the Corsair K63 is one of the best wireless gaming keyboards, delivering excellence in every category. It's compact, portable, and most of all, it's extremely durable and one of the best made keyboards in the market.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.